Hi everyone, my name is Mathumitha Samarasam and my metric number is D2022-11011521. Today I am going to present about the elasticity of supply. Let us start from the definition of elasticity of supply. The elasticity of supply measures how much the quantity supplied of a goods or services changes when there is a price change. The elasticity of a supply can be classified into two types, which is elastic and inelastic. A supply curve is said to be elastic when an increase in price increases the quantity supplied by a lot. Price decreases lead to substantial decrease in supply. Then we say the supply curve is elastic. So we say the supply curve is elastic when the quantity of supply is particularly responsive to the price. When the same increase in price increase the quantity supplied just slightly, the supply curve is said to be inelastic. So, when the quantity supplied does not vary much with the price, the supply curve is inelastic. Here there is a graph of elastic and inelastic of supply curve to understand more detail. The amount by which the quantity supplied increases or decreases with the price change depends on how elastic the supply of good is. The supply for that good is relatively inelastic when there is a change in price and firm response with a minor change in the quantity supplied. And the supply of that good is extremely elastic, though when there is a change in price that result in a larger change in the quantity supplied. So, consider the first curve, increase by 26 in price, increase the quantity of supply from 60 to 64. That is not very much. On the other hand, the elastic curve, the same price increase the quantity of supply from 60 to 100. So we get much bigger quantity of elastic compared to inelastic. Next is the formula for elasticity of supply. The elasticity of supply has to find as the percentage change in quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in price. So in mathematical order, the elasticity supply is the percentage change quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in the price. For an example question, if the price of cocoa rises by 10% and the quantity supplied increases by 3%, then the elasticity of supply for cocoa is, so elasticity percentage change from the quantity supplied is 3% divided by the percentage change from the price is 10%. So the elasticity is 0.3. Midpoint formula is the same as the elasticity supply. So the percentage change in quantity supply divided by the average quantity times 100. The percentage change in price is a change in price divided by the average price times 100. Here there is another example of questions. Assume that an apartment rents for $650 per month and at the price 10,000 units are offered for rent, as shown in the figure 2 below. When the price increases to $700 per month, 13,000 units are offered for rent. By what percentage does apartment supply increases? What is the price sensitive? So let's remember the formula back. Change in quantity over average quantity times 100 divided by change in price over average price times 100. So the quantity after is 13,000, the quantity before is 10,000 over average quantity divided by price after $700, and the before price is $650 divided by average price. So the answer is 3.53. The graph shows curve elastic, inelastic and unit elastic. If the elasticity supply is less than 1, the supply curve is inelastic. If there are more than 1, the supply curve is elastic. If it equals 1, the supply curve is unit elastic. Thank you.